Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. A quick video today showing how to print photos from your mobile phone using the Canon TS5050 printer. The steps are pretty much the same for any Canon printers. I have done a detailed review on this printer. I will leave a pop-up card and a link in the description box below. I picked this up from Amazon. You get 100 for £6 at the time of recording. I'll link this down below if you want to pick them up. They are quite good quality actually. The first thing we need to do is, I've turned the printer on, let's put paper in it first and then we'll download that up and get it up and running. For that I need to lift this up. As you can see there is proper glossy photo paper. I'll just pick my tripod up, apologies. You can see these two things there, you need to close them because any paper you put in you've got to adjust it with that. I had A4 in first, that's why they were wide apart. There we go. And make sure the glossy part is facing outwards. And close that. And then at the bottom here you could see it's showing a cross near the Wi-Fi. Go down there, press OK. Password information may be included in the sense. Okay, press OK. LAN settings, OK. Wireless LAN setup. Easy wireless connect. Settings will be made on a computer or smartphone, etc. OK. Now we need to jump over to the app. Once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store or iOS, I've got it on my Android here. Open the app, follow the instructions on the computer or smartphone, etc. Okay, so tap there. Do make sure the phone is on the same Wi-Fi as the printer. Smartphone settings, Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth settings. I'm doing Wi-Fi, so click on that. I am on the right Wi-Fi. The following printer is available. Do you want to add this printer? Press yes. Select the wireless router. This may take more than 30 seconds. Just let this finish. Go back. You can see that it's processing. Please wait momentarily. On the printer it's saying easy wireless connect is completed. Okay on that. Direct setup has been complete. Okay. I'm going to print the photo. There we go. And there we are. One picture of a Christmas tree with some healthcare stuff on it has been printed. Quality on this paper is not bad at all. You do get a sample of, I think it's 2 or 4 photo papers from Canon. Of course this quality isn't as good as Canon, but it's almost there. Printing is completed. Okay. Hope that's helped someone. If it has, do give the video a like and do consider subscribing to watch more. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.